Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you, MAC addresses. Now, you might have heard of them, but do you really know what they are and why they're crucial in the world of networking? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the fascinating world of MAC addresses. Reason to have both IP and MAC addresses. As we already had the IP address to communicate a computer to the internet, why we need the MAC address? The answer to this question is that every MAC address is assigned to the NIC of a hardware device that helps to identify a device over a network. Both MAC and IP addresses are operated on different layers of the Internet Protocol Suite. The MAC address works on Layer 2 and helps identify the devices within the same broadcast network, such as the router. On the other hand, the IP addresses are used on Layer 3 and help identify the devices on different networks. What is MAC address? MAC address is the physical address, which uniquely identifies each device on a given network. To make communication between two network devices, we need two addresses, IP address and MAC address. It is assigned to the NIC, Network Interface Card, of each device that can be connected to the Internet. It stands for Media Access Control and also known as Physical Address, Hardware Address, or BIA. Burned in addressed it is globally unique. It means two devices cannot have the same MAC address. It is represented in a hexadecimal format on each device, such as 00, 0 and 95.9 to 67.16. The ARP protocol is used to associate a logical address with a physical or MAC address. Format of MAC address, it is 12 digits or 6-byte hexadecimal number, which is represented in colon hexadecimal notation format. It is divided into 6 octets, and each octet contains 8 bits. The first 3 octets are used as the OEI or organizationally unique identifier. These MAC prefixes are assigned to each organization or vendor by the IEEE Registration Authority Committee. Some example of OEI of known vendors are CC46D6. Cisco, the last 3 octets are NIC specific and used by the manufacturer to each NIC card. Vendors or manufacturers can use any sequence of digits to the NIC specific digits, but the prefix should be the same as provided by the IEEE. Types of MAC address. There are 3 types of MAC addresses, which are unicast MAC address. The unicast MAC address represents the specific NIC on the network. A unicast MAC address frame is only sent out to the interface, which is assigned to a specific NIC, and hence transmitted to the single destination device. If the LSB, least significant bit, of the first octet of an address is set to 0, the frame is meant to reach only one destination NIC. Multicast MAC address. Multicast addresses enables the source device to transmit a data frame to multiple devices or NICs. In Layer 2, Ethernet, multicast address, LSB, least significant bit, or first 3 bytes of the first octet of an address is set to 1 and reserved for the multicast addresses. The rest 24 bits are used by the device that wants to send the data in a group. The multicast address always starts with the prefix 01 to 005E. Broadcast MAC address. It represents all devices within a network. In broadcast MAC address, Ethernet frames with 1s in all bits of the destination address, FFFFFFFFFFFF, are known as a broadcast address. All these bits are the reserved addresses for the broadcast. Frames that are destined with MAC address FFFFFFFFFFFF will reach every computer belong to that LAN segment. Hence, if a source device wants to send the data to all the devices within a network, that can use the broadcast address as the destination MAC address. How to find the MAC address of a device. We can easily find or check the address of our computer device with any operating device. Every device connected to the home network contains a unique MAC address. But if your system has multiple network adapters, such as an Ethernet adapter or wireless adapter, each adapter or NIC has its own MAC address or physical address. Click Windows Start or press the Windows key. In the given search box, type scammed to open the command prompt. Press the Enter key, and the command prompt window will display. Type ipconfig/alt command and press Enter. It will show different information. Scroll down and look for the physical address. Each physical address is the MAC address of your device. There are two physical addresses shown with different values. One is for the Ethernet adapter, and the other one is for the VMware network adapter.